Are you bothered by your under chin area? There's a special category of patients where their primary cause of what's causing the area under their chin not to have the appearance that they desire is going to be a weak chin. Are you bothered by your under chin area? Well, if you do a consultation with a facial plastic surgeon, you may get varying degrees of advices and plans. My name is Sagar Patel. I'm a Beverly Hills facial plastic surgeon, and I specialize in the chin and under chin area. Now, so many patients have small degrees of multiple problems leading to one larger problem. And unfortunately, sometimes we can't address all the problems and we have to accept some limitations. Now, there's a special category of patients where their primary cause of what's causing the area under their chin not to have the appearance that they desire is going to be a weak chin. Oftentimes that weak chin over time has led to other problems, like an accumulation of fat or a weakness of the muscle. That's where I come in. Instead of having to do everything, I offer a special procedure called a chin implant plus. Now let me explain to you what that is. Yes, it's just a marketing term. There's varying types of what we do, and so there's not an exact price. But when we're doing a chin implant, if your under chin area bothers you slightly or more significantly, we can alter the area underneath to help match the change we're going to get above. What can we do with it? Well, first of all, if there's not much fat and the muscle's nice and tight, we can just remove and loosen the skin underneath so that when the implant's in there, it can stretch that chin forward and improve the skin tightness underneath. The second one is going to be if you have an accumulation of fat. The most common chin implant plus is going to be a chin implant with central lipo. More often than not, people don't necessarily need lipo on the sides and can get away, if not get a better result by focusing on the middle area, and that's going to be the most common one. We can also tighten the muscle at the same time, and that's going to be the most complex chin implant plus. Now, if we need to open the muscle and remove fat below it, that's where we get to what I call a deep neck lift with a chin implant. And there you have it. Those are the basics. If you think a chin implant plus might be for you, please set up a consultation. Thank you.